Hi, my cuticle cuties. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys remember that video when I was saying my clients send me 15 pictures and they have different things circled, that they want their pinky like this and their middle finger like this and whoop-diddy-doo. Well, one of the images that was sent to me, I said, let me recreate these nails. They were in press-ons and they was from Amazon. Here's the picture of how the nails looked. And I am about to recreate those nails and I'll show you how to do it. Let's get straight into the video. All right, I have the nails already shaped and prepped. I will show you how to do that in another video. Let's just assume this was a real hand. Before you do anything, you want to add a protein bind, and I will be using Young Nail protein bind. They actually request that you do this twice, meaning you put a layer on, and this is my little testing bottle, so it's not much in here, and then go back over, and you only want to apply a protein bind to the natural nail, not the artificial tip. I will be creating smoky nails, and to create that I will be using Young Nail acrylic powders. Okay, you can use whatever brand you have. I will be using the clear and the core white and cover pink. Also, if you look at the pinky finger, it has some glitter. So I will be using Tammy Taylor glitter. These nails gonna all be encapsulated. And when I say that, I mean I'm gonna seal everything up with a clear coat. So you'll see me working and I'm just putting the design on. I'm gonna come back up and build the nail. So with the pinky, I will take some clear and place it, and then I'm going to grab some white and place it, and then I'm just creating the smoke illusion. Remembering to clean your sidewalls up. You can do it two ways. You could grab a little bit pink, you can grab a little bit clear, and you could grab a little bit white, and you can do it like that as well. On the ring finger, it's just going to be the bottom that's going to be smoked. So I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to go in, I'm going to grab a dab of clear, and I'm going to dab a little bit of white. Place it right there and just swirl it. I'm going to go in and repeat that same step. And you just create the swirl like that. The middle finger will be ombre. The index finger smoked entirely. So we're going to go in, dip a little bit of clear, dip a little bit of white, place it at the top. You can do a wave motion like that. Now let me show you the other way. Place a clear, go back in, place the white, and swirl it. The middle finger and the thumb is ombre. So let me show you how I do the ombre. Take a bead of white. I'm going to place it right towards the middle. Blend out the top where we're going to start the ombre, because we don't want that harsh line with a separation. And I just walk my white all the way down. Clean my sidewalls. I'm going to go in with one more bead just to make it a little dark of a white. Do the same thing. Place my bead there. Let it go. Put your finger down so it can start flowing down. The product can start flowing down. I am petting and walking my product down. And then I'm going to sweep. clean up my sidewalls. Do the same to my thumb. I'm going to go in midways and place my white. Let that product flow down and take my brush, and right at the top where the nude will be, I'm making sure there's not a harsh line. I'm walking my product to the very end of the nail. Once it's there, I'm going to clean up my sidewall to complete this index finger, and we're using a cover pink. Watch how I'm going to do this. I'm going to take a small bead. I'm going to start off with a small bead. I'm going to place it midways. Let the finger hang down so the product can flow. Let it start forming and bring it right from the bottom and just blend it in. That was the first bead. The next bead will be placed right here underneath the cuticle. Now we're going to go in and place this bead right underneath the cuticle. Walk it towards the cuticle. Make it flush. Make sure your side walls are covered. And then we're going to take and blend down. So let's do an ombre again. I'm going to start off with a small bead. I'm going to place it right above where I started with the white, so it's not a hard bump. I'm smoothing out that top surface. I'm going to come right down at the bottom and I'm going to blend it in my white. Now let's go in with my next bead. All right, I'm going to place it right under the cuticle. Make sure to pat it out with the top of your brush. We want our cuticle area to be flush. Make sure our side walls is covered, and we're going to come right down and blend. Thumb is ombre as well, right above the white. Smooth out the top part. Cover the side walls. Swipe down very lightly. You wipe too hard, you're going to remove all of your product. Going with our next bead, right above, right underneath the cuticle. Walk it to the top. Walk it up. Make sure your side walls are covered. Swipe down. Clean up the side. Now we're going to use this glitter acrylic, and on the pinky, here's a reminder of the picture. And we're just going to go in, grab a big enough bead that we can use for the entirety, and which this is too much. And you see how I'm just swiping? I don't even need the rest. And that's it. Now to encapsulate our nail, we're going to go in and we are going to grab a large bead. We're going to start right at the top. Flush our cuticle area, and see the product is already going towards the bottom. You point your finger down and the product works for itself. And you walk it down. Now for this nail, it's pretty built up here. So I'm just gonna go in and encapsulate here so I can save my design and build up where it needs to be built up. Okay, for this one, once again, we have our area built up here. We're just gonna encapsulate here. Now let's encapsulate our thumb. Now we have everything done. We're going to go in, make sure our nails are shaped up. Now I'm going to take my electric drill and just smooth out the top surface. Give it a quick So I know it don't look like much going on right now, but baby, when that top coat get on, the look is gonna come together. Let me remind you how this picture's supposed to look. Now we got some bling going on the middle finger. So let's start off, let's do our bling first. And because this is just a demo hand, I won't use rhinestone glue. I would just use top coat as the adhesive. Let's cure that. Let's finish the top coat on all these nails so we can see how that looks. Here is the finished look. If you guys are not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Make sure your notification is turned on so you'll be notified each time I drop a new video. And don't forget, every Monday and Wednesday night at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, I post a premiere. Don't forget to hit that like button. Leave me a comment and tell me how these nails came out. And that's all I have for you guys. See you in my next video. Bye-bye.